Construction activity at the Camp Nou is picking up pace, with multiple areas showing clear progress. Following the reopening of the North Goal, focus now shifts to structural improvements and early facade work as the stadium continues to take shape. In contrast, the corner section shows strong activity. Workers are preparing supports for the installation of lamellas, outer facade panels. A crane and delivery truck loaded with lamellas are already positioned, indicating imminent installation. Platforms are actively being assembled, with flooring already installed in some sections. Workers are tightening anchors and preparing structural brackets, while others are painting support elements before panel installation. In another corner area, a crane is now positioned and actively handling lamella elements. The crane is lifting and holding facade panels in place, indicating that installation in this sector is either about to begin or already in its initial phase. Concrete pouring is actively underway in upper sections near the corner. A concrete pump and mixer are operating simultaneously, indicating ongoing work on structural slabs or upper ring elements. Significant visual progress is seen in the diamond-shaped structure of the future FC Barcelona store. Door frames and upper glass panels have now been fully installed across the front. This section is taking clear shape, with both the store and nearby cafe areas being among the most advanced parts of the stadium in terms of finishing. Work in the Tribune area is currently moderate. Upper sections show activity where workers are applying anti-corrosion paint to steel brackets and bolts. Surface preparation is also underway, with workers scraping and cleaning beams before coating them. At the same time, small connecting beams are being lifted and installed between pillars. Several of these joints are already in place, while others are being aligned and secured. Sandwich panels on one side are fully installed, while the opposite side still requires completion. Tension rod installation has now been successfully completed in this section after earlier alignment issues. Initially, the component did not fit correctly and had to be lowered and adjusted. Following corrections, the rod has now been properly aligned and fully secured with all bolts in place. This process highlights the precision required in structural assembly, where even minor misalignments must be corrected before final fixing. The North Goal area is showing steady preparation progress, with workers actively scraping, cleaning, and treating steel beams and brackets across multiple levels. Anti-corrosion paint is being applied to bolts and supports, a necessary step before lamella installation, although some areas are still untreated. While facade panels have not yet been installed, the ongoing surface work is preparing this section for the next phase of lamella installation. In upper levels, limited but ongoing work is visible. Some prefabricated seating sections are still missing, and minor adjustments are being carried out. Scaffolding remains in place, with workers continuing detailed finishing tasks. Material storage zones remain largely unchanged. Key components such as flanges, pillars, and structural parts are still stored in designated areas, with no major new deliveries observed. The South Goal area is currently quiet, with minimal visible work. No active elevated platforms are operating, and only a few workers are present. This slowdown is likely due to recent matchday operations and temporary removal of equipment. Overall, construction activity is uneven across the stadium. While some areas remain quiet due to match-related interruptions, others, especially corner sections, are progressing with structural preparation, lamella installation setup, and concrete work. With materials and machinery already in position, further visible progress is expected in the coming days, particularly in facade installation and upper structural development.